Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open PDF pages in Photoshop. So for this you have to go to the start button option from here, then you have to search for the Photoshop. You can install any version of your Photoshop, then you have to simply click on the Photoshop file from your start button. After searching it, you can, if you search in the start button just Photoshop, and here you can see my Photoshop is Adobe Photoshop CC 2015. After that you have to click on it, then you have to click on the file option from here on the top ribbon, then you have to choose the open option from here, and then you have to choose the PDF file that you would like to take. So for example, I would like to take this PDF file, and here you will get some options. For example, if you would like to take the pages, or you would like to take the images only, or you would like to take the 3D version. So you will get three options for here. So for example, I would like to go for the images option, then you have to choose OK from here, and also here is the option of wide height. You can change it as your preferences, then you have to click on OK. After that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see it is already here, already in the, it is showing too much slower. I mean the PDF quality of that file is not that much good, that's why it's not showing. But as a PDF file, then you can see, you can simply import the PDF file here. So that's the process. You can easily open a PDF file in your Photoshop. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.